Make a base of 14 black pieces with an inverted row. So start by making a normal base. And then insert black inverted pieces at the bottom like this. Like this. And keep adding pieces like this. One here, one on top, and then one inverted black piece at the bottom. And repeat this until you finish the row. And there should be 14 pieces. And if you're doing base with pairs of pieces like this, then insert an inverted piece at the bottom like this. So it should be diagonal. And make 14 of these pairs with an inverted piece. It should look like this. And this is the inverted row. I recommend it to add in every origami that has base with more than 16 pieces per row. So inverted row prevents base from breaking. So if you're having trouble with base, I would recommend you to add it to origami. In other origamis you can remove this inverted row after finishing the model, but in this you will need it. And now add 5 more rows. It should look like this. Now take a black piece and put it on top of 2 pieces like this and slide it. So one flap goes onto one piece and another one on another piece. And it should look like this. And now skip one gap and repeat it again. Like this. And now skip again and like this. And repeat that with skipping a gap between every piece, and when you complete a row you should have added 7 pieces like this total. And I recommend to use glue here. And try to make that the corner of this inserted piece would hide the flaps of the piece that is inserted into, like this. So here should be a gap, and you should not do it like this, but a little lower, here like this. It should look like this. And now remove one glued piece. So you should remove these 2 pieces with it, and then cut off these ends. Like this. And now put these 3 pieces back where it was. Like this. Now we repeat it to other 6 inserted pieces. It should look like this. And now in these gaps insert 2 pieces like here. So one flap goes here next to this piece, and another one in this gap between these 2 pieces, like this. and add another one here. And here again use glue and repeat this with other 6 gaps here. It should look like this. Now insert here 2 rows of black pieces and like this. And if a piece does not go fully into holes, take a wooden skewer or a toothpick and make sure there are enough space for it, like this. And then it should go in like this. So add 2 rows of these pieces. It should look like this. And now you can glue it on the other models like this elephant, like this.